A couple days ago, we got to go to the Peterson Automotive Museum in LA, and we went specifically because they had the Cybertruck on display to view. And from the moment you walk in the door, it's right there on display before you even get your ticket. And it's just awesome to see this thing and feel it and just experience the presence that this crazy truck has. So before we get started on this video, I just also want to let you know that I did a more generalized overall video where we dive into the size of this thing, the presence, the fit and finish of how it looks. I talk about the tow hitch in detail, the bed cover and the operation of that with the buttons that are on the truck. I go over all the cameras, talk about the sail storage and the pillars, and just a bunch of stuff, go over it in a lot of detail. So you could check out that full encompassing video by clicking up here, or I'll have a link to it in the description for you to check out too. But now let's dive into the wheels and tires. The wheels and tires, so they look awesome. I thought in person that they might look kind of like a cheap plastic hubcap type of thing. I was kind of worried about that, but they look durable, they look high quality in person, they look really good. They're also massive, they're huge, especially for a electric vehicle, but it's understandable on a truck like this. But this is also, there's no way that this is going to be the tires that come stock on the Cybertruck, because if you look closely on the tire, it even says not for highway use. So this is just not going to be the wheel that it comes with, I'm guessing, unless they're able to change something on this to make it for highway use. But it looks cool. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. Alright, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.